Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you know that you can integrate kids' toys to your decoration depending on the season? In today's video, I want to share with you some creative ideas made with kid toys and other fall items from Dollar Tree. So stay with me to the end so you can enjoy this video. So let's DIY together. These are the materials that I'm going to be using for my first project. The elephant as well as the pumpkins and the sunflowers are from Dollar Tree. This pumpkin, the wood one, it is from Dollar General, but I'm going to take out the sign that said Blessed to use it on this project. I'm going to take out the ribbon that it brings on the sign and the blessing sign to put it on the elephant trunk. I'm just gonna put this small orange pumpkin from Dollar Tree right there when I put the sign, and that way it's gonna hold it also in place. Now I'm gonna paste with hot glue the 3 pumpkins on the elephant back. Now I'm going to add these mini sunflowers in some spaces. These mini sunflowers are also from Dollar Tree. If it's your first time in my channel, it's so great to have you here. So please don't forget to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. I got this pumpkin from Dollar Tree. I have it like 2 years ago. I really don't like it, so I never use it. So right now I'm gonna use acrylic paint from Walmart to color it yellow and then put some glitter, gold glitter on it to transform it to my glamour style. I got this beige glitter pumpkin from Dollar Tree. I want to stack it in top of the one that I painted this way. I'm going to use hot glue. I'm not going to put it straight. I'm just going to put it looking the stem to the front. I got this bow that I made it with a ribbon from Dollar Tree, and also the sleeves are from Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna decorate where I glue the 2 pumpkins. I also have this mini sunflowers from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use it to decorate the pumpkins. Now I got this third pumpkin, is a glitter yellow one from Dollar Tree also, and I'm gonna paste it on top of the beige one in a corner to look like it's falling. I'm gonna use the same leaves to decorate between the 2 pumpkins that I just pasted now, as well as the sunflowers. Now I'm gonna decorate the top of the pumpkin with the same leaves and also the flowers and sunflowers from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use also some acorns from Dollar Tree to decorate in some spaces. Do you know Dollar Tree is an American multi-price pointed chain of a discount variety stores? Headquartered in Virginia, it is a Fortune 500 company and operates 15,115 stores throughout the United States and Canada. Each Dollar Tree stocks a variety of products, including national, regional, and private label brands. The good thing is that everything costs $1.25 and you can find any item that you need. So when you have a project in mind, you have to go to Dollar Tree and you will find everything in a budget. I have this candle holder for a long time. It is from a thrift store and I spray painted silver, and I'm gonna use it to put out some leaves on it. my third project, I have these stove covers that I'm not going to use anymore. And this lions is from a previous project that I did in my grandson's birthday. So I'm going to take this tinsel stems. I'm going to take the one that has orange and black and just put it around the stove's covers. I'm going to do 2 lines around the circle. I'm going to use a strong adhesive from Dollar Tree and a little bit of hot glue to put up the stove cover in top of the lion's head. Like you see, I sanded the lion's head so the stove cover can be more stable when I paste it.